Welcome, little learners! Today we're going to discover amazing compound words. Can you to make one new word? Let's learn, play, and have fun together. Sun plus flower makes sunflower. Rain plus bow makes rainbow. Tooth plus brush makes toothbrush. Cup plus cake makes cupcake. Foot plus ball makes football. Football. Bee plus hive makes beehive. Moon plus light makes moonlight. Star plus fish makes starfish. Let's learn compound words. What happens when we put two small words together? Snow plus man makes snowman. Fire plus fly makes firefly. Butter plus fly makes butterfly. Let's learn a compound word. Bath plus room makes bathroom. Mail plus box makes mailbox. Mail plus box makes mailbox. Pop plus corn makes popcorn. Hair plus brush makes hairbrush. Bed plus room makes bedroom. That is a compound word. Can you find another compound word? Book plus shelf makes bookshelf. Makes Play plus ground makes playground. Class plus room makes classroom. Room makes classroom. Awesome job, super learners! You learned lots of compound words today. Which one was your favorite? Comments. For more fun English learning videos. See you next time!